In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an appointment schedule created on Google Calendar quickly and safely. If you no longer need a booking page, want to stop taking new appointments, or you simply created the wrong schedule, this walkthrough will help you remove it in just a few clicks. And before we get into it, if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Google Calendar guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You'll want to do this from a web browser since appointment schedules are managed more easily on desktop. Once Google Calendar loads, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one calendar or business profile. Now look through your calendar until you find the appointment schedule you want to delete. Appointment schedules usually appear as a block or event on the calendar, and they may also be tied to a booking page that others use to schedule time with you. If you have multiple schedules, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right one before deleting anything. Once you find the appointment schedule, click on it to open the details. This will bring up the event information where you can review the schedule settings, booking link, and other details if needed. This step is important because it gives you a final chance to confirm that you're deleting the correct schedule. Next, click the trash or delete icon. In Google Calendar, this is the option that removes the appointment schedule from your calendar. Depending on how your calendar is set up, you may see the trash can icon directly, or you may need to open a menu and choose delete from there. Either way, the goal is the same. Remove the appointment schedule so it no longer stays active. If Google Calendar asks you to confirm the deletion, go ahead and confirm it. This is the final step before the schedule is removed, so make sure you're certain before you proceed. Once confirmed, the appointment schedule will be deleted and the booking page will no longer be available for new bookings. That means anyone trying to book that schedule in the future will no longer be able to access it. So if you are using it for client calls, consultations, or meetings, you may want to create a new schedule later if needed, and that's it. You've now deleted an appointment schedule created on Google Calendar. It only takes a few moments, but it's a useful process to know if your schedule changes or you need to clean up old booking pages. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Google Calendar tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.